I'm Kyle Norman. My email is knorman@brockway.k12.pa.us. I'm one of the ag teachers here at the high school. I teach Ag 1, 2, 3, and 4. Ag 1 is centered around wildlife and entomology. Ag 2 is centered around animal science. Ag 3 is small engines and forestry. Ag 4 is electrical and horticulture. Just a little bit about me is I went to Penn State for my undergrad. I went to Du Bois for 1 year and then the main campus for 3. I did my student teaching at Solanco Area High School. Then I spent 1 year at Central Mountain High School, and then I've been here for, I think this is going on 14 years now. So that's me.
Hi, I'm Matt Holt. I'm the other ag teacher here at Brockway. If you can't figure out, I teach the wildlife class. I have animal science also, and I teach a couple shop classes, Ag Mechanics 1, 2, and 9. And I also teach the 8th grade rotational class for Introduction to Agriculture. I also went to Penn State for Ag and Extension Education. And if you guys have any questions for me, right there is my email. Go ahead and get a hold of me.
They are the longest email addresses in the world.
Yes, they are.
So.
All right, hi, I am Bob Bateman. My email is rbateman@brockway.k12.pa.us, longest email ever. I teach all of the industrial arts. I teach the wood shops, I teach the STEM classes, STEM 7, STEM 8, STEM 9. I also teach CAD, and I teach robotics and engineering. In my woodshop classes, I like to do a couple smaller projects to get the kids interested in all of the machines, and then we do the individual projects as they go along. They get to design and build their own projects. They are graded on all those things. In my STEM classes, I like to do challenges. So we do the egg drop challenge, we do the mouse trap challenge, mouse trap cars. We do water bottle rockets. We like to do the bridges challenge, see how much they can hold, how much weight they can hold. And then my engineering and robotics class, we do a lot of drafting, and then we do virtual robotics. CAD, we use Inventor, and we use what's called Revit for residential drawings. So.
All right, that's it. If you guys have any questions for us, shoot us an email.
Please feel free to get a hold of us anytime.
Yep, and Classroom is Google Classroom is also a new thing that we're trying to use a lot this year between the 3 shops here. We're trying to put a lot of our assignments on there. We're doing all of our safety tests. Occasionally we'll put announcements and some things like that on there. So keep an eye out on Google Classroom for your students. And please bear with us with the Google Classroom stuff because this is all new to us this year. So we're trying our best. So thank you guys very much. If you have any questions, get a hold of us.